My name is Chad Dane. This is my wife, Sara. We live in Clay Center, Nebraska. We farm here, and we operate SC Farms. Our family came here in 1887, plowed up some sod, and been here since. I'm generation number 5. Hopefully we'll have generation number 6. You know, as a child, everything's fun. Dream of running the combine and driving the semi. But as you grow up, you realize it's a business. Having a banker that understands agriculture is top priority anymore. It just is. Somebody who's grown up around it and understands. At times aren't always going to be good. We want someone who has seen good and bad and will give Sara and I a straight answer. Farming's emotional. It's stressful, borrowing a lot of money. There's big swings anymore farming, and we need a little leeway when it comes to financing. You need somebody who will stand by you in those times. And it's key to have a good banker, and so we get that at First Dakota.